This recipe is for all of my German chocolate cake lovers. Okay girl, this recipe is really quick and really simple, so let's get into it. To make this cake, you are going to need 1 box of German chocolate cake mix, and then you are going to follow the directions as indicated on the box. Add 1.5 cups of sweetened coconut to the bottom of a 9x13 pan. Then you are going to add 1 cup of chopped pecans. Now pour the batter on top of the pecans and the coconuts. I have 2 sticks of unsalted butter and 1 8-ounce package of cream cheese. So I placed this in the microwave for about a couple of minutes to slightly melt it. Then I have added 1 box of powdered sugar. I am mixing that together to get this consistency that you see. So the consistency needs to be pourable because we are going to pour this on top of the batter. If you are not getting this consistency, just put it back in the microwave and melt it a little bit more. Okay, now let's pour that on top of the cake batter. So right here, I'm just giving you a bird's eye view of what it's going to look like whenever you pour that mixture on top of the cake batter. Bake in the oven at 350 for 40 minutes. This is what the cake looks like when it's done, and the best part of the cake is the white crust. So let me pull a piece of the cake out so you can see what the inside looks like. Don't forget to share and like this video on the way out, and drop a comment and let me know that you stopped by. And that, my friend, is the end of this video, and until the next video, peace.
It's too easy. It's too easy. I can do this with my eyes closed. It's too easy. It's too easy. I can do this with my eyes closed. It's too easy. It's too easy. I can do this with my eyes closed. I can do this with my eyes closed.